That's right, people. I'm getting served here. Look at the amount of food. Damn.
Of onion out.
Are you gonna serve your dad as well? I think your dad will love some food. Look at eat more. Eat as much as you want. That's some good afternoon tea. Yeah. More food, people. More food. Eat it and eat it good. Whoa! Saw that. Anybody else? Hey, why do you get pizza?
Gluten free.
Oh, gluten free. Right. My bad. Yes, the gluten free ones eat something different. For those who are not gluten free, this is what we eat. Sorry, my bad. My problem. Oh, look at that. Yes, I want all the sauces in. Oh, hello. I want all the sauces in there. Throw the whole cow in and the sheep. Yeah, and that's right. Yeah, not too much. So, hey, you're gonna kill me. Man, trying to give me diarrhea? Are you crazy?
I want diarrhea.
Damn. Thank you. Sorry, appreciate it. Oh man, look at that. You know what? I think you guys eat too much good food. Was it really this good in our time? No, it wasn't there. Nowhere near.
Can I serve my son?
Please serve yourself. You've done too. And your dad. Why not serve your dad as well? Would you like some food? Okay. Stop mucking around behind the line and wait for the food. Hungry, then you wait. Wait for it and wait. It's good. Thank you very much. It is awesome. It was awesome.
5 stars.
I don't know. I mean, the cheese is kind of like touching the plate, which doesn't work for me.
Chef, not the...
Right. You're right. Well, the chef also organizes. Yeah. So
Clearly, I've done a great job.
cheese is touching the plate. So yeah, and the meat is not. They're too far apart. I like the meat together. It's a together thing. And the sauce is dripping away, and in less than an hour, it's going to touch the plate as well. I don't know. This is hard. Yes. How can I help you? What? What? A play one? Play what you want to play? Yeah, eat more. Eat and eat it good. Stop flicking the plate around, crazy fool. Eat more food.
I haven't eaten it.
Then eat. Oh, Leila hasn't eaten yet. She's waiting for her first one. Why didn't I get that? What is that? Chips. Can I have some chips? Oh, I felt it was missing something there. That's right. Keep going. Don't stop. All right, you can stop now. Now the chips is touching the plate.
Oh no! Cry me a rubber! Refund! You should What do you want?
Hey. Talk with respect. Or the bouncer is gonna move you out.
What else?
No, don't touch it. Hey, you don't know where it's been. Hey, what about meat? What the?
You don't want another meat?
Stop complaining and eat the food. Another meat, please.
Please! You can have one more if you want one more.
All right, shall we do this? Stop talking like that. You sound very squeaky.
She isn't saying listen, okay?
That's-
She isn't saying right.
Why are we talking like this?
No.
Oh,